Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT on your Alexa app. So it's a very simple method. Just open your Alexa app and go to more and then select skills and game. So once you have select the skills and game, now then search my GPT or ChatGPT. So it's better to search my GPT, then you will see the result will be popped up. Select the one and then just simply enable to choose the option. Now you will be able to use my GPT so with your Alexa assistant. So if you wanted to disable it, same process, go to that my GPT portion and then simply disable the skill. So this was the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.